Welcome to Cyber Theo. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through using the Robinhood app for investing. Whether you're new to investing or looking for a user-friendly platform, Robinhood provides a simple way to buy and sell stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies directly from your smartphone. Download and install Robinhood. Start by downloading the Robinhood app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and sign up by providing your personal information. Follow the prompts to verify your identity and link your bank account. Explore the interface. Familiarize yourself with the app's interface. The home screen displays your portfolio balance and watch list. Tap the search bar to look up stocks, ETFs, options, or cryptocurrencies you're interested in. Buying stocks. To buy a stock, search for the company or ticker symbol. Once you find it, tap on it to view details, including price charts and stats. Tap Buy, enter the amount you'd like to invest, and confirm your purchase. Setting up recurring investments. Robinhood allows you to automate your investments. To set up recurring investments, navigate to the stock or ETF, tap Buy, select Recurring, and choose how often you want to invest. Selling stocks. When you're ready to sell, go to your portfolio, select the stock you want to sell, tap Sell, and enter the number of shares you wish to sell. Review the details, then confirm the sale. Tracking performance. Use the app to monitor your portfolio's performance. The History tab shows your transaction history, and the Portfolio tab gives an overview of your investments. Using Robinhood Gold. For advanced features like margin trading and research reports, consider upgrading to Robinhood Gold. Be sure to understand the risks involved before using margin. That's a quick guide to using the Robinhood app for investing. Start building your portfolio today, and don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing to Cyber Theo for more investing tips and tutorials.